Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Red 357 with a quick unbox video of a new monitor that I bought. I bought a OLED monitor. It's the ASUS ROG Strix OLED XG27AQDMG. Heard a lot of good things about OLED, and this is my first OLED monitor that I had actually bought. Bought it out of Amazon. Saw a couple of reviews of it, but the main curiosity that I had is that I've been gaming on an ultra wide and high refresh rate, no OLED, just regular monitor, and it's pretty good. The only issue that I have is, I think not all the games that I play, but some of them, is, I guess, in my opinion, it's too demanding sometimes for the graphic card if you want to keep a high refresh rate. Her probably can take up to 10-20%. It could be probably in a game you lose like about between 10 to 20 FPS of performance. But the main thing that I heard is this is a glossy panel. It's 0.03 ms, 240 hertz refresh rate. So it's a decent. They have a 360, I believe, but of course you gotta pay the premium for that. So my main thing, I'm not planning to get rid of all the 1440 by 3440 by 1440. I'm gonna keep it. I probably try to get some type of like monitor arm just to swing this one around to the front of the other monitor. But I'm very curious about the colors, regular monitor to OLED, being that independent lights, I guess the color, the black, the dark scenes, they look very crisp and better. Sometimes my monitor, I can see in some videos kind of like look a little bit like wash out, not like blurry, but kind of like wash off. So we'll see, but let's go ahead and open it and see what it comes with it. Should have grabbed a knife or something, but I think the screwdriver will do. Another thing about the the ultra wides is like when you're trying to stream, sometimes it looks funky. The lines, either you pick your poison lines on the sides or with the front, depending how you have it set up. I will have to flip it around. Yeah, around like, I think it was like $525 for this monitor. The good thing is that I was going to buy the new Hunter Wild game, and there is there's an offer where you can download it for free after you register on a what's that? Oop, almost messed up. I guess that's the backlight hits for it. This way and go up so it doesn't fall over. So you see, of course, it's true 10-bit 103 HDI 240 hertz, 26.5, 27 inch. It comes with a 3-year warranty, and of course 2560 by 1440 QHD. That goes the box. Of course, it comes with stickers from ASUS, which I got probably plenty of those just laying around. Man, this is a pretty beefy backplate. Wow. Backplate base. I guess it comes with a little opening so you can put your cell phone or tablet. Let me see. Whoa. Okay, let me see which one is the front. That's the plate, and this is the arm. Okay. ROG letters. I guess this is where you stuff the cables. And most likely, well, might as well do it, right? Let me see, I got it right here. Wow. This is heavy, man. That's the base. Hopefully it doesn't break. It's black. Oh wow. What is this? Power cable. Oh nice. Just a little pouch. And cables, a quad. And more cables. Okay, nice. I probably gotta change one of the cables since it has to be kind of like HDMI, EP, and what is this? Okay, nice. Guess it has some type of USB connector, USB port. Okay. This has to be for the connected back to the monitor to the base. Power cable. And last but not least, throw that all the way over there. Oh, wow. And the panel itself. Oh, wow. It's very thin. You put it sideways. Be easy to remove this thing. Okay. So this is a glass panel, so it reflects, I guess, the light. So if you have any lights like we're streaming, they might be, reflect on the screen. Comes with on the back, it has, of course, the USB port, hub, 2 HDMI's, and one deep display port. I think it's 2.1. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video real quick. I'm gonna put this together. I don't want you guys to be watching me put this together. Hopefully I don't break it. So see you guys in a bit. And we're back. Yeah, pretty easy to put together. It's just basically same system as this. Just put this on the monitor, and it has a clamp. Just press the button, lock it in place, and that's it. Wow, it's really nice. It's looks very sturdy and premium. But again, it has in the back is. I thought it was going to be smaller, but I guess I can put it sideways. You can see where the panel connects to it. It's really thick, I would say, probably about 2 inches, 1.5 2 inches. It has a little I guess webcam connector, so you can put your webcam in here, your camera in here. So that's pretty neat. That's pretty neat that you have basically something that you can lock your cam in place. So again, I can't wait to test it. I'm probably gonna run some benchmarks on my on some of my games, and again, what you guys think? Should I just keep using the ultra wide or 3440 by 1440p, and or just use this one as my main monitor for gaming, since it's the advantage of the OLED and the color. So what do you guys think? Just let me know on the comments, and I hope that you guys like the video. I know that this monitor is being out for probably for a year or so. But like I said, this is my first OLED monitor, so I did not want to spend more than $600 for it. Like I said, I think I paid like $529, something like that, and I got the game for free. So I guess it's a plus here. So again, this was RetroVet357. Please comment, like, subscribe if you think that that this is a good monitor. Like, I guess it's not a 4K, but I got a 7900 XTX and a 9070 XT, and I think I got a 3070 Ti somewhere around the house too. But let me know if this if I should keep gaming on the ultra wide, or for for games, or should I switch full to the 2560 by 1440p OLED monitor. Okay, see you on the next one, and take care and be safe out there.